Hi everyone, so just a quick video for anyone that's suffering with any tension headaches or just feeling generally stressed or even just missing some massage. An amazing move that you can do that really reduces tension in the head is if you just get your thumbs and then you press up in the grooves and then you pinch and hold and pinch and hold and pinch and hold and pinch and hold. So you can just keep doing this. If you need to hold for longer, then hold for longer. If you need to revisit, just keep going over. Just keep pinching. Or if you find it's more here, just keep pressing. You can do one at a time. So a pinch and a pinch and a pinch and a pinch. But I hope you enjoy that and I hope that it really helps.